Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. This is Shah at Linear Wireless coming up with another repair video. It is actually a software issue and it needs to be restored. If you have a phone, especially an iPhone, which says iPhone not available, and it's stuck on this, which you really can't do anything, you can just use it for the emergency calls. So what you're gonna do, I'll tell you what to do and how to solve this issue. So if you have a MacBook, you can do it too, or if you have a Windows, you need to download an iTunes on the Windows PC, and then you can do this step. All right, so first step is you're gonna connect the phone to your MacBook or the Windows laptop. You will connect it, and what you're gonna do is you will press volume up, volume down, and then keep pressing the power button. Keep pressing, don't let it go. Okay, don't let it go, keep pressing. Okay, and then this will appear here, the iTunes thing, and then on here it says that there's a problem with iPhone, and then you will hit on the restore. That's what we need to do. You click restore and it would say restore and update, and then if you hit next, agree, what it will do, it will download the software. As you can see around here, it will tell you the time remaining, and it will actually do the reset on the phone. Now if this phone was iCloud logged, they would need to have their iCloud and a password in order to get into the phone, and then they should easily actually do that. On the second step, if you have a Windows, on the Windows you will open the iTunes, so it won't automatically show on your screen, but its process is the same. You will press the volume up, volume down, and then keep pressing the power button. And on the iTunes, it will bring the window where it actually shows update or restore. So you will click on the restore, and it will tell you that update and restore. When you click that, you will see a window there as well, which will show you that the software is downloading, and once it's done, it will actually restore it. And for example, if you have some errors coming through, which there's several numbers of errors, I can make another video about it, but until then, that should fixes the problem. Hope this will help, and until then, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.